I summon the original Universal monsters! Lights, camera, chaos! Dracula! Wolfman! The Bride! The Creature! Frankenstein's monster! The monsters are loose, the production is shut down, and the Backlot belongs to me! Your dream of being in the film's finale is cancelled!
Gang, we've got a problem! Well, it looks like we've got a mystery to solve. Good thing I know the perfect team to call.
Barking at me for nothing. Where do you think you are, little puppy? And then you're not like carrying
Gates are closing, friends. Watch your heads, hands, and legs. Gates are closing. Yeah.
Good one. Right? Smart one. No flex ones. Occasionally survivable ones. Don't hurt me. Is that approval? That felt like approval. Mysterious, yes, but iconic, definitely. Wow. Did you like the trap? It's a work in progress. You know, there's still a lot of things and kinks to work out. Don't worry, kids. It'll get better. But what do you think? You follow the footprints? What do you got? I can't do this by myself. I need your help.
Can't find the footprints.
Footprints? They're in the graveyard.
Yeah, look, there are you.
Over that way.
Unleash the monsters!
We need to go down because they're near. We need to go down.
Gotta make sure we get this right. We cannot send the wrong person to jail. Yeah.
Look at, we have to see what color the cloak is.
Remember, we don't want to stop the boat by its cover. And we wouldn't want to throw someone into jail. I like that. You're a real
Hey there. How's it going?
Good.
Good? Having a good time solving this mystery? I know I'm doing my best too. We really need to get this production back on track.
above.
All the above? Well, you just got to go with like a sampler palette then.
Exactly.
All the above.
That sounds good.
Like, do you need help finding clues? Well, if I were you,
New tonight felt dramatic.
Like every time we tried to snack, another monster popped out of nowhere.
Thanks to you, we have what we need to solve this mystery. The lanyard in the graveyard.
Which suspect was too far away when the Phantom Director appeared at the Court of Miracles?
And the item that mysteriously went missing from the Ocean Oddities window.
Which means there is only one suspect left for us to trap.
Wait!
Oh.
I have a plan. We lure the Phantom Director onto the trapdoor. Scooby hits the trigger at exactly the right moment, and it sends him down the trash chute. Like, when has that ever gone right?
Do it, and these Scooby snacks are yours. Not yet, though.
You cannot stop what has already begun. I am coming for you.
That's our cue. Move now. Let's split up, gang.
He's
Up the stairs. Watch your step.
Right this way. Which way, Freddy?
Not that way.
Jeepers, it's pretty creepy over here.
Why are there so many doors?
Should I try? Sorry, Freddy.
Shh. Be quiet.
Where should we go?
What do you think, Velma?
Go, 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 go.
Velma, door!
It's okay. Just think of Scooby snacks.
This way, Freddy.
Just open the door, Dad.
The monsters are everywhere.
I think we can get them to help us.
Hurry, they're right behind us. Now, Scooby.
Let's find out who's under the mask.
It's you. Big shot behind the shutdown.
He used the monsters to shut down this film so he could steal the backlot for his own movie. And then while everyone was distracted, he thought he could film his dream project.
So you weren't trying to save the shoot. You were trying to sabotage it.
All I ever wanted was to direct my own movie, a black and white 4-hour tap dancing monster musical. The studio laughed me out of the room, so I found investors to start here immediately. A few special effects, a little monster chaos, and the backlot would have been mine.
Like you're totally the mogul of mayhem, man.
And I would have gotten away with it too, if it weren't for you meddling kids and your mystery-solving guests.
Sorry, Max. Looks like your dream project's been canceled. So, did you get it right?
You know, once the monsters lost their glow, it was clear the Phantom Director's control had faded. They had our backs after all. And Scooby, you earned this.
Like total hero moment.
Mystery solved. Production is back up and running. Monsters are cleared to hang out for the rest of the night. And get this. Turns out the cameras caught everything. You helped solve the mystery as it happened. Which means no reshoots needed. That chaos was the finale. Take a bow, detectives.
You heard them, gang. That's a wrap on this mystery.
We couldn't have done it without you.
Seriously, thanks for jumping in and saving the night with us. Like, I cannot wait to see how this movie turns out.
Later, gang.
Later.